Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit the logo, header, and footer in PowerPoint using the Master Slide feature. Whether you're creating a major project presentation or just refining a class assignment, mastering these elements is key to giving your slides a professional and consistent look. Let's dive in. Start by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to edit. Once you're in, head over to the View tab at the top of your screen. Here, click on Slide Master. This is where the magic happens. It allows you to make universal changes that apply to all your slides, saving you time and keeping everything consistent. Now, look for the first slide in the Slide Master view. This top slide acts as a template for all the others. Any edits you make here, whether it's your logo, header, or footer, will automatically appear across every slide in your presentation. Let's customize. You can move, resize, or edit your logo simply by clicking and dragging it. For headers and footers, double-click the text boxes to update them with your information. Make sure everything is aligned properly and looks clean. That small adjustment can really elevate the professionalism of your presentation. Once you're happy with your edits, exit the Slide Master view. You'll immediately see your changes reflected on all slides, meaning no repetitive work slide by slide. And that's it. Your PowerPoint now has a polished, cohesive design that stands out. Mastering the Slide Master tools not only saves time, but also boosts the quality of your presentations. Try it out in your next project. You'll notice the difference right away.